If you've ever seen your parents sacrifice their dreams so you could chase yours, this is for you. Some families struggle with money, some with pain, some with silent worries no one talks about. Parents wake up tired, sleep worried, and smile anyway. They hide their struggles so their children can feel safe. They give up comfort so their children can have hope. A struggling family doesn't make you weak. It makes you stronger. You learn patience before success. You learn responsibility before freedom. And you learn respect before pride. Your family may not give you everything you want, but they give you everything they have. One day, your hard work will repay their sacrifices. One day, their struggle will turn into pride. Until then, work hard, stay humble, and never forget your roots. Because strong people are born from family struggle.